Hello YouTube, and on this one today, what we've got a few problems in this property, and we're going to start in here, where well actually all the problems are here at this kitchen sink. So the first thing that they said is there's low water pressure on the hot side of this tap, which is good. So the first test I'm going to do is see if it's still got the same problem with the cold. Yes, we do. So some of the problems it could be is the mains water in could be the problem. There could be a blocked filter in the incoming. There could be all sorts of problems. But the next test we're going to do is we're going to test the basin taps, which is just through here. See if we have the same problem in here. So we haven't got a problem here. So that means the hot and cold are absolutely fine everywhere else, and the actual problem must be with this tap itself. So another problem with this tap is it's loose. So because that's another problem with it, and they've highlighted that it's loose and it's not coming through, I'm going to check the Flexies underneath. I haven't kinked something silly like that when they've moved it, they've kinked it, but all looks good there. Well, that's going to be fun to try and tighten up under there. I could just about see it. So it's not that. I mean, there's a check valve, it looks like here. There's not one on, but there's not one on the hot. So if there's not one on the hot, there is on the cold. It can't be the check valve. So the problem is here. So it could be the cartridges. But I've never had a cartridge not let a full amount of water through. They normally just drip. So the next thing I'm going to check is we're going to check the spout filter. So on this one, I believe we can just turn it. Yeah, we can just turn it lefty-loosey. So with this off, so take that off, just make sure the washer doesn't fall out. I can see already there's a bit of dirt in there, a little bit, nothing special. So we're going to test now, take this out of here. We're going to test the flow now without the filter on, see if that sorts it. Yeah, so that's a lot better. So that's your problem. The problem is this filter here. So we're going to give that a good clean up. Take this off here, looks like it's got all sorts of stuff in it. Just going to flush it backwards. So I've now taken this blue bit out, and as you can see, you can't even see through it. So that's the problem, so we've got to clean this up. Put it back. All as clean as I can get it. Put this back together. That round. So. That goes on there. That goes on there. Give it a test. Perfect. So that's how to clean the filter out, and if you've got a slow flowing tap, how to clean it out. I hope this video has helped. Please like the video and subscribe. It'd be a massive help. There's over 200 videos on the channel of plumbing and how to do plumbing things. Give yourself a subscribe, that'd be massive help, and I hope you all have a good day.